I'm going to now talk about the working units of a DGN file. Working units in Microstation are usually made up of master units, subunits. In this case, we can access the active DGN files working units by clicking on the settings menu and by clicking on the design file command. In the design file settings dialog box, I'm going to click on the working units category, and I'm going to go talk about the linear units section in here. The format is set to master units. This is standard for all Caltrans files when you're working in the design units in the districts. For roadway design, these settings are not to be changed. Your master unit is set to feet. This is a default, as I've told you already. Subunit is set to tenths of a foot, and then the accuracy is set to 3 decimal places. The labels are set to FT for feet and then TN for tenths of a foot. Under the advanced settings, you'll see that they're like 10,000 per distance foot is the resolution. That is what the file is reporting. And the working units and other information that you see in here is something that you can take a look at by clicking on the edit button in here. You get an alert. This is modifying these values are going to affect D7 file. The element lengths are going to be affected if you make modifications in version 7 files. In this case, I'm not going to make any modification, but I'm going to click on the OK button to dismiss the alert, and I'm going to go talk about the advanced unit settings in here. Unit type is set to distance, and then the resolution is set to 10,000 per foot. The smallest unit of measure in Microstation is called position unit. There are 1,000 position units per tenth of a foot, and then each foot is divided into 10 subunits, which is tenth of a foot. So the resolution ends up being 10,000. The working area and solid distances along each axis that you see in here are something that you should not be modifying. I'm going to go click on the cancel button in here just to make sure that I'm not modifying any information in here. And then I'm going to click on the cancel button one more time to dismiss the design file settings dialog box.